respected sir and all my dear intelligent friends. A very pleasant good evening to one and all present here. My name is Vijay Kr.Singh and I am standing in front of you going to deliver a very interesting topic, that is solar energy. Solar energy. Solar energy is a very popular form of energy nowadays. So let us start. Before starting my topic, I would like to make you understand the proper definitions of solar energy. Solar energy is the energy that we get from the sun and converted into thermal and electrical energy with the help of photovoltaic cell. Photovoltaic cell means the panel that we put on the roof of our house to generate the solar electricity. Solar energy is also known as renewable energy because it will never end as long as the sun remain in our atmosphere, not atmosphere, in our space. Okay, solar energy, the uses of solar energy, many schools, many colleges, many factories, many shops, many industries, even all industries and factories were also using fulfill their electric needs. Okay, solar energy is also pollution free energy, as it doesn't produce any types of gases, it doesn't produce any types of chemicals during the productions of solar energy. So I think we should move to just know about how it's work. Okay, first of all I would like to make you understand what were the elements used to generate the solar energy. The three elements. Okay, first one is aluminium, whose atomic number is 13, silicon, whose atomic number is 14, and phosphorus, whose atomic number is 15. Mainly in the solar energy there are silicon is used. Okay, and one amazing fact is that silicon is the second largest abundant elements which is present on the earth. Okay, silicon, with the help silicon is act as a semiconductor because it have both features. It have donating features and it also have a accepting feature. As you know, its outer cell, there are 4 elements are present, 4 atoms are present. Due to the 4 atoms, it sometimes it accept and sometimes it donate the atoms or electrons. Okay, and in aluminium there are 3 electrons are present in its outer cell, and phosphorus there are 5 elements are present in its outer cells. 3 elements in outer cells means what? It accept. Okay, it accept means it have positive. Okay, it have positive sign, and phosphorus have, and phosphorus, in outer cell of phosphorus there are 5 electrons. It means it donate. Okay, for making the bond it's donate, it means it have minus sign. And in the panel we termed as n type and p type and n type. P type is negative, and negative it means phosphorus, and n type means positive, it means aluminium. It means what? Along with the silicon, aluminium are used this side. Okay, and along with the silicon, phosphorus are used that side. Okay, and whenever we put heat to the n type module, it produces electrons. Okay, it produces electrons, and friends, as we know that the flow of electron is also known as electricity. So by this way electricity is produced in solar panel. Okay, one thing is more, like a square size, it is a cell, it is a solar cell, and group of solar cell is called module, and group of modules is called panel, and group of panel is called solar array. And group, to produce more and more energy, solar energy, we have to arrange many array, and the group of array is called the solar field. Okay, and solar panels are 3 types: monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film. Mostly monocrystalline and polycrystalline are used, but thin films are not used because it is very thin. Okay, and monocrystalline and polycrystalline, we have to talk about it. Okay, so monocrystalline means what? Crystalline, it means it is a blue in color, and it is black in color. It is black in color, and this polycrystalline, it is blue in color. There is not so difference in both of them, okay, but a little bit difference that it is so much of costly, and it is very you can buy very easily, okay, but it is very costly. Why is the difference between both of them? Because it have more efficiency to produce the solar electricity. It have more absorbing capacity of the sun ray, okay, and it also have the more capacity to produce the solar energy. That's why monocrystalline is costly as compared to polycrystalline. So I think it is the functioning of the solar energy. So thank you. It's my simple idea about the solar energy. So if you have any doubts, you may ask questions.
So I have one question that what is the difference between monocrystalline and polycrystalline?
There is no so much of difference between both of them, okay. Monocrystalline, it is black in color, and polycrystalline, it is blue in color. It means what? It's have more efficiency to absorb the sun ray, and it's also produce more energy in comparison to polycrystalline.
Okay, among of both, which is the more important?
For the area like Rajasthan, where the abundant of solar, okay, where the abundant of sun ray, okay, for that side, monocrystalline is very good, and polycrystalline is very good, okay, for the area like Rajasthan, where is abundant of sun ray, okay, and where like the hilly areas like Uttarakhand, monocrystalline is good, okay, because do you know monocrystalline, it's also work during the rainy season too, okay. It has capacity to absorb the sunlight even in the cloudy season too.
For installing solar panel, which type of facility is being provided by government for normal citizen?
Government, as per your questions, during the installing the solar panels, okay, for a normal peoples, government give many types of subsidy on it, okay, and for the poor people who don't have so much of money, government install free of cost at the slum areas.
Yeah, free of cost, they can install their home this type of solar panel.
Not for a particular person's homes, okay. Actually, government installs such types of facility for a community, okay, in a large scale. That's the supply of energy is delivered to whole society.
In spite of this, the solar energy is not popular in our area. What is the main reason behind it?
Still, solar energy is not famous because there is a reason, okay. The main reason is that some advancement is not done in the solar energy, okay. With the help of some advancement, it becomes so popular, okay. That's it. The efficiency of producing the solar energy is very slow. That's why many of the peoples were not purchasing such types of facilities, okay. But it's becoming more famous due to the advancement in the technology.
For popularizing the solar energy, what should be government take action for this energy?
For making it for making solar energy as popular, okay, government make many types of program like Urja missions, okay, and there are many types of missions were also launched by the government to provide electricity to each and every house of the Indians, okay, and for that's why solar the government provide solar panels at the slum area where the peoples are under the very poverty area. That's why government provides solar panels at that area free of cost, okay, and many of the areas government also implementing solar energy free of cost, and governments also give subsidy on it.
When any person want to install a solar panel, then what is the process of installing this solar energy?
There is no any difficulty to installing solar energy, okay. If you have money, you easily buy from the market solar panels, and government also give you the subsidy to installing such types of solar energy. The question is that why government gives a subsidy on it? Because government wants to encourage people to use such types of energy which doesn't produce the pollutions.
when we want to install the solar energy, then what we will have to install, we will invest money for installing this solar energy.
For installing solar panel in one house, okay, it's totally depend upon the size of that panel, that what is the size of panel you are using or you want to install, okay. And I think if you are a normal peoples and you want to install the solar panel, I think it's cross 40 to 80,000, between the 40 and 80,000. And after that government also give you the subsidy. Subsidy means government also reback some money.
Install one solar energy for one community, not in personal house, okay. But we are talking about one personal house. When we want to install own solar energy, then at that time they can invest 50 and 60,000 at one time.
If any person who is a very poor and he wants to install the solar energy privately, okay, it means what, that he have to pay for that 40 to 60,000, okay, and government also gives subsidy on it. It means he have pay only 20 to 30,000 for installing such types of solar energy.
Okay, I have other question, that what is a solar tracking system and what is the work of it?
Solar tracking system, it means what, it's totally worked on the phenomena of the sunflower. It means the sun, from where it comes, it moves to the sun facing sides, okay. The panel is just moved to the sun facing sides.
Okay, sir, tell me that what is the advantage and disadvantage of the solar system?
First of all, I want to make you understand the disadvantage of using the solar energy. The disadvantage is that for using the solar energy privately, we should use an inverter and we should use a battery for using, okay. Why use the inverter? Because solar energy provide the DC current, but we require the AC current. And the function of inverter is that to convert the DC into AC. With the help of inverter, we convert the DC into AC, okay. And disadvantage, and the advantage is that it doesn't require the connectivity of any like the thermal power. It doesn't require so much of a long wire. You can easily install at your home and you may use it.
What happen when rainy season will come, or in winter season when sunlight not available continuously 4 and 5 days, then at that time what happen in this system?
As I had earlier explained that there are three types of panels are used, okay, but mostly the monocrystalline and the polycrystalline panels are used. Do you know about the monocrystalline? The feature of monocrystalline, it's track the sun ray even in the winter season, even in the rainy season, okay. It's have the efficiency, more efficiency to track the sun ray.
What is the maintenance required for this solar panel?
There is no more maintenance for such types of it means the solar energy does not want any types of maintenance, okay. Only in it's have warranty of about 20 to 25 years, okay, and it doesn't require any types of management. But for the season and like the whenever the winds blow along with the sand particles, dust particles, the panels is covered with dust. At that time we have to just wash it. In this video I tried to deliver sufficient knowledge about the solar energy. So thank you. If you like our video, comment it, share it and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.